This Hammerhead 6-amp reciprocating saw is capable and ready for all cutting jobs around the home or workshop, including woods, metals, PVC, etc. This reciprocating saw features an ergonomic design, and the overmold gives a comfortable grip experience, reducing vibration while cutting. Blades can be changed without a tool by rotating the chuck, and blades for metal and wood are included with the tool. So start the cutting. More about this product. Power: 6 amp, no load speed, 3100 SPM. Stroke length, 20 millimeters. Sawing capacity in wood, 4/2 inches. Sawing capacity in aluminium, 3/8 inches. Sawing capacity in steel, 3 and 5/32 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful motor. With a 6-amp power motor, adjust the speed range from 0 to 3100 SPM for cutting wood, metals, PVC. Number 2. Pivoting foot. The shoe can be adjusted to different angles for extra stability when cutting stubborn materials. Number 3. Variable speed. Adjust the speed range from 0 to 3100 SPM for different projects. Number 4. 3 pieces blades. Includes 2 pieces wood cutting blade and 1 PC metal cutting blade. Number 5. Tool-free blade change. Quickly swap out to a fresh blade. Number 6. Ergonomic design and lock-on button. The lock-on switch relieves muscle fatigue during extended usage, and the handling areas are overmolded with rubber for comfort and firm grip. Number 7. In the box, includes saw blades for wood and metal, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.